Welcome to the final chapter of our Milan journey. Today, we witness the city's futuristic ambition and its vibrant, modern energy. We begin in Porta Nuova, a district that has redefined the Milanese skyline, a symbol of a city looking forward. At its center stands the Unicredit Tower. Its elegant spire is now a landmark as recognizable as the Duomo itself. The architectural lines are mirrored in the quiet reflecting pools, creating a sense of calm amidst the urban progress. As we explore this new landscape, I have a quick request for you. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Piazza Gae Aulenti is more than just a square. It's a raised podium offering stunning views and a space for the city to breathe. Nearby, the world-famous Bosco Verticale towers are home to over 20,000 plants and trees. This living facade provides a habitat for local wildlife and acts as a natural air filter for the neighborhood. At the foot of the towers lies the Biblioteca degli Alberi, a unique botanical garden linking the district. A short walk takes us to Corso Como, where fashion, art, and nightlife converge in one fashionable street. Don't miss 10 Corso Como, a world-renowned destination for art lovers and style seekers. Housed in an old theater, Italy Smeraldo is a temple to Italian gastronomy, celebrating regional flavors. We also visit City Life, an urban project featuring designs by world-renowned architects like Zaha Hadid. The architecture here is fluid and striking, representing a bold new vision for Milanese life. As the sun begins to set, we cross the city to its most social district, the historic Navigli canals. The Navigli were once a trade network. Today, they are the heart of Milan's world-famous aperitivo scene. There's an unmistakable magic here at twilight. The energy is infectious as the city comes together to relax and socialize. Among the bars, you'll still find artisan workshops and studios that maintain the canal's creative spirit. Tucked away is the Vicolo dei Lavandai, where stone slabs tell the story of the city's humble past. The Darsena, Milan's historic harbor, has become a popular meeting spot, especially as the evening unfolds. Each bridge offers a new perspective on the lively scenes unfolding below as the city lights up. As night falls, the Navigli truly come alive, with music and laughter filling the air. From history to the future, Milan is a city that honors its past while boldly embracing what's next. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you've enjoyed discovering the many faces of Milan. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Grazie, and see you next time.